I'm going to show you how you can remove your makeup using coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good for the skin. It hydrates the skin, it reduces inflammation, and it lightens dark patches on your skin. The first thing I'm going to do is to remove my eyelashes, and I'm going to be doing that by using a little bit of coconut oil on my cotton bud and apply it on the lashes so that it softens the lashes and it keeps it from damaging my original lashes. The reason why coconut oil is very good to remove makeup is because when you apply it on the makeup, it breaks down the makeup and makes it easy to clean. And it also leaves your skin hydrated after you finish washing off the makeup. Before you touch your face, please make sure you wash your hands so that you don't put germs on your face. And I also went ahead to wash my face wipe because the liquid used in making the face wipe always irritates my skin. So now I have a clean face wipe. I will just apply a little bit of coconut oil, then use it to clean my face. I usually use about 2 to 3 face wipes to remove my makeup. This is the first one, and it usually comes out very dirty. The reason why I use coconut oil to remove my makeup is because it leaves my skin hydrated and it makes it look beautiful after the wash and the clean. And it's also very good instead of using water to wash off your face. Water does not bring out all the makeup completely with just one wash. You have to wash at least 3 times, and by doing that you get to lose some skin oil that your skin produces. This is the second wipe. Make sure you clean all the corners and eye area properly. As you can see, the face wipes are dirty, so I'll go with the third face wipe. After the third face wipe, you can call it a day, but I'll go ahead to wash my face with soap and water because coconut oil tends to clog my pores and gives me acne and pimples. So I usually wash off coconut oil off my face. I don't leave it on my face for too long. Here I'm just using my face brush to wash my face. It cleanses my face properly. After that, I rinse off my face with water. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. Don't forget to use your face moisturizer after the wash. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.